AI content and SEO, how to make it rank safely without penalties. Before you publish another AI-written article, stop for a second. Because even though AI content can rank, and Google has said multiple times that AI is allowed, most AI content still fails. Not because Google hates AI, but because Google hates low-value, unhelpful content. Google said using AI doesn't violate our guidelines. What matters is the quality and helpfulness of the content. But here's the twist where most people miss. A large percentage of AI content today quietly triggers self-suppression, trust issues, and unhelpful page signals in Google systems, even when the content looks decent on the surface. The good news, if you follow the right workflow, and if your domain already has trust signals, especially from an H domain, AI content can actually rank faster than traditional writing. Want to know how? Let's check it out. Hey everyone, another day, another rate. I'm Ray from Moss Domain. We help you build high-authority websites using clean H domains, Spark domains, and modern SEO strategy that actually works in 2026. If you are new here, make sure to hit subscribe because every week we break down real insights, public Google updates, and field-tested SEO frameworks you can use right away. Alright, let's talk about AI content. Why AI content is a double-edged sword. AI has transformed SEO. Since the jump from GPT-4 to GPT-5 level models, people can publish thousands of articles in minutes. And that's exactly why we now see two extremes. Some sites explode in traffic, and others completely disappear. Google Search Liaison said, automation is not the problem, though quality content is the problem. So, Google is not punishing AI. Google is punishing thin summaries, generic writing, surface-level answers, inaccurate information, and content that shows no human experience. When AI content succeeds, it's because the creator adds real experience, corrections, and depth, true human editing, proper search indent structure, factual accuracy, and ideally, a domain with existing trust signals. When it fails, it feels like a blurry Wikipedia summary. And that's exactly what Google's helpful content system debodes. Think of AI as a powerful tool. When used properly, it builds skyscrapers. But when used blindly, it slices through your rankings without you noticing. The new Google requirements for AI content 2025-2026. This part is based on publicly available sources. Google Search Central documentation, helpful content guidance, Google Quality Rater guidelines, confirmed statements from Google Search Liaison, and industry analysis from experts like Lily Ray, Mary Haynes, Alida Solis, and many more. And all of them point to three major requirements for AI content in 2026. The first one is experience signals. Google's documentation says experience help content perform better in search. What does it mean? Well, it means Google wants proof that a human actually did something, used the product, tested the product, tried the method, or even followed the process. Even one or two sentences of real experience can change how Google evaluates trust. And then the second one, invent accurate structure in 2025. Google's ranked search intent clustering. If the query is best protein powder for beginners, Google expects a clear beginner-friendly intro, testing methodology, criteria, comparisons, pros and cons, different categories, or final recommendations. And AI won't automatically create this. You must guide it. The third one is domain trust and history. Google's documentation repeatedly emphasizes site-wide trust signals, backlinks, historical consistency, stable SEO context. All these help Google interpret your new AI content as reliable. This is why AI content performs much better on H domain than on a brand new one. A new domain starts with zero trust. An H domain starts miles ahead. How to use AI to create rankable SEO content. Here's the practical workflow used by high-performing SEO teams today. The first step is do real intent research. Before writing a single word, ask, what does this searcher truly want by typing this? For example, if the keyword is best cheap VPN, the intent includes price comparison, speed benchmarks, categories, pros and cons, testing methodology, or even beginner-friendly guidance. If your AI article misses these, then it will not rank. And the second one, build a human-level outline. AI outlines are too generic. Your outline determines uniqueness. You can add sections like my testing method, why I choose list peaks, 3 mistakes beginners make, or why I exclude certain products. Your outline should already feel original before AI writes anything. The third step, you can use AI for drafting, not for thinking. Google's guidance is clear enough. People should provide the guidance, not automation. You have to decide what needs to be said. AI helps you say it faster. Fourth step, inject mean experience signals. You don't need to be a world expert. Even simple personal notes help. Just like, when I tested this, I noticed blah blah blah. Or, this confused me at first. Or even, here's what actually worked for me. You can use those examples. This immediately separates your content from generic AI. The fifth step is you need to fix the tone. AI defaults to robotic. Google boosts content that feels conversational, human, clear, genuinely helpful, and also convenient without being stiff. A live edit can completely change performance. Why AI content ranks master on H domains. This part is critical. A clean H domain gives your content existing backlinks, historical trust, clearer topical relevance, Google familiarity, and faster crawling and indexing. In public case studies from tools like SEO testing and discussions in open SEO communities, sites built on H domains consistently index several times faster than on brand new domains. Think of it like a new student versus a returning senior. A brand new domain must prove itself from zero, and each domain already has a reputation, and Google remembers it. 7 AI red flags that trigger suppression. These patterns appear again and again in sites hit by Google's helpful content updates. Number 1. Publishing 50 to 100 posts instantly. Number 2. Templated generic AI tone. Number 3. No real human experience. Number 4. Keyword stuffed optimization. Number 5. Content unrelated to the domain's historical niche. Number 6. Very thin or surface-level explanations. And number 7. Publishing on a brand new domain with 0 trust signals. If your site matches these patterns, rankings hold glass, even if the writing seems just fine. How to future-proof your AI SEO strategy for 2026. Here's the evergreen formula aligned by Google's public guidance. 1. Build deep topical authority. 2. Use a trusted H domain. 3. Use AI for speed, humans for insight. Number 4. Refresh content every 6 to 12 weeks. Number 5. Add genuine experience through your key pages. This is just exactly what Google rewards: helpfulness, accuracy, and expertise. So in conclusion, yes, AI content can absolutely rank in 2026. But remember, it only works when you combine the right strategy with real experience and strong search intent alignment. Also remember, a domain that Google already trusts. If you want a shortcut to better indexing and stronger rankings, you need to check out mossdomain.com. BQ8H and expired domains with claim history, real backlinks, verified topical relevance, and also 0 spam signals. So, your next project can start with real authority, not a blank slate. Well, if you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment down below telling me which SEO topic do you want me to break down next time. So, thanks for watching and see you on the next one. Bye.